The free hot dog he didn't want. It was a hot, sticky afternoon in Chicago, the kind where the air feels like soup. A street vendor was handing out free hot dogs to promote his news stand. People lined up fast, laughing, grabbing theirs, moving on. But one guy just stood there, old baseball cap, faded flannel shirt, work boots. He watched everyone else take a hot dog. When the vendor finally waved him over, he smiled and said, "Hey man, come grab one, they're free today." The guy shook his head slowly. "Nah, I'm good." The vendor blinked, confused. "Seriously? Free food, man?" The guy chuckled softly, then pointed down the street. Across the road, a small kid sat on the curb with his mom. They were sharing one tiny bag of chips. The man shrugged and said, "If I take it, I'll probably eat it." He paused, then smiled. "But if you take it to that kid, he'll remember it." The vendor looked over. Really looked this time. The kid was watching the stand, trying not to stare too hard. So the vendor grabbed the biggest hot dog he had, loaded it with mustard, onions, and relish, and walked it across the street. The kid's face lit up like it was Christmas morning. When the vendor came back, the man in the flannel shirt was already walking away. The vendor called out, "Hey, don't you want one now?" The man waved without turning around. "Nah, I already ate." The vendor frowned. "You didn't eat anything." The man laughed, loud enough to echo down the block. Kid smiled, didn't he? He tipped his cap and kept walking. Sometimes the best meal is watching someone else enjoy theirs.